Formal nang binuksan ang WorldSkills ASEAN Manila 2025. Pinangunahan ito ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. bilang hudyat sa tagisan ng galing sa skills o kasanayan ng mga bansang miyembro ng Association of Southeast Asian Nations o ASEAN. Si Clazel Pardilla sa detalye.
1, 2, 3.
Simula na ng pasiklaban. Formal na kasing binuksan kagabi ang WorldSkills ASEAN Manila 2025. Pinangunahan ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. ang opening ceremony. Hudyat ito ng tagisan ng galing sa skills o kasanayan ng mga bansang miyembro ng Association of Southeast Asian Nations o ASEAN.
It is with great pride and joy that I welcome you all here to Manila. As a gateway for learning, collaboration, and cultural exchange, the WorldSkills ASEAN serves as a stage where young people push their limits, competing not only for medals, but for the pride of their nations.
Exciting ang event. Ito kasi ang pangalawang beses na mag-host ang Pilipinas. Halos 3 dekada na ang nakalipas mula nang huling ganapin sa bansa ang kompetisyon noong 1996. Nasa 300 competitors ang maglalaban para sa 22 skill areas. Nakasentro sa 6 na sektor ng TVET o Technical and Vocational Education and Training. Kabilang ang creative arts and fashion, gaya ng pagalingan sa digital game art, transportation and logistics, pahusayan sa automobile technology, manufacturing and engineering kung saan aariba ang robotics, kasama rin ang information and communications technology, tampok ang mga eksperto sa cybersecurity. Hindi rin mawawala ang cooking at iba pang social and personal services skill competition. Ayon kay Pangulong Marcos, mahalaga ang paligsahan para maibida ang galing ng mga Pinoy sa ASEAN. Mula sa Pilipinas, Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Myanmar, Vietnam at sa unang pagkakataon, sasali rin ang Timor-Leste.
Skills are the new global currency. They are the foundation of innovation and the engine of industry. Skills are more valuable than oil, more enduring than gold, more transformative than any technology. And this is why we hold events such as this, to invest in our people, nurture their talents, and give them opportunities to further grow.
Ngayong araw, August 26 hanggang 28 ang competition proper. Sa August 30 matatapos ang competition bago umuwi ng kani-kanilang bansa. Hirit ni Pangulong Marcos.
To all our delegates and guests, I invite you to experience the beauty of the Philippines. Go a little bit beyond the competition halls. Have a taste of our food, discover the richness of our culture, and feel the warmth of the Filipino people. Because here, you are home.
Clazel Pardilla para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.